Hi, I'm Christian, the coach of Team Bokowsky and Laymann, and I want to also warmly welcome you here in the Interims Hall. I hope you had a great break and inspiring talks. So before we dive into our presentation, I want you to introduce you to our customers and our team. Our customers have been Markus Bokowsky and Markus Laymann, and our project leaders have been Dora and Paul. You had been a great help during the journey to create the reservation system for the Bavarian State Library. And without my team, it wouldn't be possible to show you our solution to the problem. So Adrian, Alex, Andy, and...
You're in the library. People are studying here. I am the attendant of this library and I want you to shut your mouth and be quiet.
So at least they did a good job.
Thank you very much.
I have so many exams this semester. And on top of it, there's this iPraktikum. I spend 60 hours a week on it and I have no time left to study.
Well, I can't help you with your iPraktikum, but I have the perfect place to study for your exams. Are you familiar with the new reservation system of the Bavarian State Library?
No, not at all.
Let me explain it to you. This is the new reservation app built by awesome developers, in which you can book a place to study at your desired time. On the left-hand side of the start screen, you can choose your date and your time on which you would like to study. On the right-hand side, you have a workplace map. It indicates which workplaces are free and which are also already taken.
This live update of the map is a really great feature.
By clicking on the map, we can choose our workplace. The green ones indicate free ones, and the red workplaces are not available. Maybe I would like to take 88, so you can take 87, and we sit next to each other. On this screen, we can choose the date again. And on the right-hand side, we got this gorgeous looking time slot bar to choose our time frame. And we have to click on this button.
Wow, I've never seen an app that is so intuitive. This is really state of the art.
On the right-hand side of this screen, we can see the workplace map again with our workplace indicated here in green. On the left-hand side, we see our reservation overview, and we can add our reservation to the Apple Wallet, but I don't need this feature for now. And to confirm our reservation, we have to click OK. And you have to do the same.
Cool, I'll do it at home. See you tomorrow.
So while Adrian and Daniel are waiting for the reservation to come up, I would like to introduce you to our structure, to the structure of our system. The core elements is the iPhone and the WatchOS app, which you see on the slides. Another core component is the reservation server, which powers a REST-like API server. The reservation server talks to e-paper displays via access points. The e-paper displays are mounted on the tables in the reading room of the State Library. The e-paper displays show information like whether the place is reserved in the future and the check-in code which is needed to check in to the reservation. Furthermore, we have a web interface for the library staff like the attendants. There they can see all the reservations which are upcoming on the day, and they can even create or remove reservations. After creating a reservation, you can add it to the calendar, or you can create a pass for the wallet app. So let's get back to Adrian and Daniel. They will meet again in front of the library to check in and study.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Fine, thanks. Well, maybe there's one. Oh, look, a push notification. And that's my reservation. We can go inside.
Yeah, I have so much work to do.
Well, where is my place? Oh, there it is. And you sit right next to me.
Okay. Could you tell me why are there displays on the desks?
These are e-paper displays. There's one e-paper display on each desk, and there's your check-in code typed on it. Mine is 7825, and I have to type it into the app. I will do this right now, 7825, and I'm checked in. So, unfortunately, the display isn't changing. Maybe this takes some time because of the energy consumption mode. We can wait a little bit more, and wait, and wait. And, well, oh, there's happening something. It is changing, you see?
Awesome. I'll do the same now at my workplace and I can start studying.
Whew, I have worked here for hours. I need a break. This machine learning class discouraged me completely.
But is it possible for you to leave your workplace without losing it?
This is no problem. You just have to click the. You have just to enter into break mode to make a break, like
Awesome.
this. So see you in 30 minutes.
See you.
Hey dude, I want to study in the library on how to plant wheat, but unfortunately I don't have a smartphone, so I can't reserve my own workplace.
Yes, I can help you. This is the new reservation system on my iPad, which has even more functionality than the app. So reserving a workplace for you shouldn't be a problem. So look at the map. Is place 89 suitable for you, which would be the place over here?
Yeah, it's fine. I don't really care, I just need a place.
Okay, fine. Yeah, that's it. I've reserved it for you.
Thanks, man.
Hey, wait. Don't you want to see all of our features?
Well, I kind of want to read my book. And
Yeah, whatever. Look, in this tab, you can see all the reservations and the current status of them. Place 88, for example, is shown red. That means there is an active reservation currently. I can also choose a specific time frame and see which places are available. If I click on a workplace, then I can reserve or block it for this specific time frame, or just see the reservations and blockings for today listed below. If I click on reservations, then I can see a list of all the reservations with detailed information, and I can filter or edit them easily. We also have the same view for blockings, and I'm able to edit them right away. Okay, let's see. Yeah, your reservation has started. Place 89 is ready for you, so have fun and don't forget that you can take 2 breaks during your studying session. Just give me a sign.
What, only 2? I need at least 10, dude. Sheesh.
Whew. This was a nice break. I feel refreshed and recovered.
I need to go now. It's my girlfriend's birthday today and I have no present for her yet.
But wait, you have to check out first. Just click the checkout button and you can go.
Ah, okay, cool. I'll do this right now. See you tomorrow.
See
Bye.
you.
Okay, guys, the library is closing now, so please leave.
I also have to check out. So, check out. Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Fine, thanks. What are you doing here?
I would just want to go study in the library.
Well, there's a problem because the library is closed.
Ah, okay.
But yesterday you told me that there's this cool new app where
Oh,
you can reserve
you have an Android phone?
yes, actually.
The app is not available on Android.
So you mean I have to buy myself a real phone?
Yeah, what a pity. So the Android version is definitely on the to-do list for further development. So let's recap what we've built so far. We've completed the iPhone app, except some minor features like extending the current time of the reservation which is currently running. The Apple Watch app is finished as well. The design needs a lot of work still. And the reservation server and the API server are completely finished, as well as the web interface for the library staff. The communication with the e-paper displays is working now. We had a lot of trouble with them before the design review, if you remember, but we changed the manufacturer of the panels, and now everything is running smoothly. So but slow, yeah. So thank you for your attention, and I would like to welcome you to our booth later. Then we can show you why the e-paper displays are slow and show them in detail. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Quite nice and entertaining presentation. Aufstehen. Okay, I have to stand up. Right. Compared to many of the other presentations we saw with this IoT stuff going on with lots of gadgets, it looks like a rather simple scope. But during the project, we saw there are lots of pitfalls and problems we may not be had on the radar at the beginning. What was the biggest challenge you faced during the last couple of weeks?
So the biggest challenge at the beginning was the hardware. We put a lot of research in the comparison of different e-paper displays. And it was pretty hard to get test kits from the vendors. And it was also hard to get to understand the APIs of them because they were poorly documented. That took a lot of time at the beginning. Afterwards, we had the typical project management and customer relationship pitfalls because we got the mock-ups of the iPhone app rather late than early, which put a lot of pressure on us. And that was one of the other big challenges beside the hardware.